We're going to turn this Pringle container into Ankara earring and Ankara bangles. I know it is mind-blowing. Like, it's mind-blowing to me too. Pringles container that you're just meant to eat and throw away, you know, to make this kind of stuff. So today we're going to turn this Pringle container into Ankara earring and Ankara bangles. I know it is mind-blowing. Like, it's mind-blowing to me too. So hopefully we can turn this into something beautiful. So make sure you stick around this video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you tell your friends. Now boys, please make sure you do not click out of this, because I know you might be saying, but you say you want to do Ankara earring and bangles, so what am I doing here? Uncle, brother, or whoever you are, you have females close to you. You have mothers, sisters, your girlfriends, or whoever. So you really need to watch this video. You can also use this to make a cheap gift to your loved ones. I know. So make sure you stick around till the end and let's get creative. Okay, so first thing we do is to cut out the iron part. Now throw it away. Next up, you take your wristband and wear it on your Pringle container. After that, my brothers and sisters, you need to cut and cut with your whole might because it is not easy. Now trim the edge to get the rough sides out. So there's no fixed measurement for this, but you can just use 2 inches wide and then, I don't know, any length you feel like. Now do not forget to trim the edges. Now it's time for us to glue our material round the Pringle circled thingy. Now make sure you put your gum inside so that you can fold it to look fabulous. So our bangles are done. Next up, earring. Okay guys, so I know for the bangles I folded the material and wrapped it, but for the earrings I'm going to be rolling it because I want a unique pattern on the earring. In case if you get tired, I beg, eat, eat, eat. So now I'm using a sewing needle to bore holes in my earring so I can put the pin inside and then place the hook. So I'm using a sewing needle because the bottom is large. So now our earring is ready. Woo-hoo. Abeg, make sure you press the hook very well, oh ha. Behold, a beaut. Hey guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. I mean, look at this video. I can't wait to wear this out. I can't wait to rock this. Hope you guys do it too. Make sure you tag me at Queen Fit Official to see what you did. Comment below if you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, tell your friend to tell your friend. Make sure you turn on your post notification to be the first person to get alert. I will see you guys next time, and I love you. Bye. Okay guys, hopefully you guys made it easy.